want to emphasize is how important joining your professional associations is in building your personal brand. We all are volunteering our time to help our professional association, but equally as importantly, we are building our personal brand. People know us, we know them. We have the inside scoop on who just got a new job and who has a job opening and what's happening. So it really helps you to position yourself well. And we have wonderful opportunities to volunteer. My personal favorites that I recommend to everybody in my book is membership. You get to know everybody, who they are, where they work for, and you have an excuse to connect with them in terms of talking about their membership.
In a non-creepy way, connect with them. But
yeah, with ethics, but you get to form a personal relationship with somebody you might never have been able to talk to otherwise. And the next one is public relations, because your name gets on the top of the press release, so you get picked up by Google, and you get the first page listing of Google because all those press releases show up your name. And the third one is hospitality, where you get to meet and greet people at events, at socials, at luncheons, at mixers, and you get to give them the gift of making them feel comfortable, and later on they will feel comfortable giving you the gift of a referral, of getting to know them, of referring you for a job, whatever it is. You build a personal relationship by your active participation and your volunteerism in your professional association. This is Diane Huth. I am the Accidental Career Coach, and I'm pleased to give you this. It's another simple secret of career success. Good night.